In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a meeting in Microsoft Teams using a meeting ID and password. Microsoft Teams is a powerful collaboration platform from Microsoft, widely used for virtual meetings, team collaboration, and much more. Whether you're joining for a work call, a team check-in, or a virtual event, understanding how to access meetings swiftly is essential. Let's dive right in and make sure that accessing your next meeting is as smooth as possible. First and foremost, ensure that you're logged into your Microsoft Teams account. This is a crucial step because Teams requires authentication to access meetings securely. If you haven't logged in already, go ahead and do that now. Simply launch the Microsoft Teams app on your device and enter your login credentials to access your account. Once you've logged in, look for the button that says Join with a Meeting ID. This is the gateway for entering a meeting when you have been provided with a specific meeting ID and a password. You can typically find this option on the home screen of the Microsoft Teams application, so it should be quite accessible. Now, before proceeding further, it's important to have both the meeting ID and the password handy. These are usually provided by the meeting host in an email or a message prior to the event. Make sure you've taken note of these details because you won't be able to join the meeting without them. When you are ready, you will need to enter the meeting ID in the designated box within the Teams interface. Direct your attention to the corresponding field and carefully input the ID. Double-check for any typos, as entering an incorrect ID might prevent access. Similarly, there will be a field to enter the meeting password. Input the password just as you received it from the host. Once you've entered both the meeting ID and the password, the next step is to click on Join Meeting. Doing so will submit your credentials and initiate the process of connecting you to the ongoing meeting. If everything is correctly entered and the meeting is active, you should be directed to the next screen without any hitches. Finally, click on the Join Now button. This will be the final confirmation that you're ready to enter the virtual meeting room. Once clicked, you'll be guided into the virtual space where your meeting is hosted. Ensure your microphone and camera settings are appropriately set according to your preferences before joining. And that's it. You've successfully joined a meeting using a meeting ID and password in Microsoft Teams. Remember, having your login credentials and the meeting-specific details beforehand will streamline the process. I hope this guide helps make your next meeting entry as seamless as possible in Microsoft Teams. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.